Hi, I'm Stephanie Hansen. Welcome to Stephanie's Dish. We are making chive. Chive butter can be done a couple of ways. You can use the actual green chives, or you can use the flowers, or you can do both. So I like to make a chive butter just with the blossoms, and then I make another butter using the stems. It's a little bit different flavor. The blossoms are super mild, so I'm just gonna go ahead and chop them up a little bit. And these are right from my plants outside. You can also use these beautiful blossoms to make a chive vinegar, which is also super delicious, just to give you that little oniony flavor. I've got 1 stick of butter here, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw my chive blossoms in. And I'm also gonna give it a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna form it into a log. And I use this all like spring, winter, super festive for a party. It's great as a gift. If you have an abundance of chives, this is a great thing to do. And it gets some press and seal, and you can use wax paper too. And I'm just gonna plop the chive butter right on it. And just gonna make a little bit of a log shape. Kind of get it rounded there, right? Okay, now it's pressed in there, and I just kind of give it a light little shake, little roll, and then I tie at the ends, and I put it in the freezer. You could also put it like in a little ramekin too if you were having a party and wanted to do that. Let's do another bit with the actual chives themselves. I'm just gonna cut these into smaller bits. I usually make about 3 sticks of chive butter a season, and it literally lasts me till the next season. I mostly use it on finished meats and eggs. I love to have an omelet with a big dollop of chive butter on it. All right, again, whole stick of butter, putting in our chives. We're gonna add some salt. Just get it kind of mixed in, kind of come together. Compound butters are a really fun way to experiment with like grilled meats. You can add fruit, you can add nuts, herbs, orange bitters. So I'm just gonna start again, giving it just a little light press. I want to get it a little thinned out. It's kind of fat. You want your full log to be about an inch and a half in diameter. That looks pretty good. Get that all rolled up. And we have chive blossom butter and chive butter. You can find other recipes for chives. I think I have 26 recipes total using chives, about as many as I have rhubarb. I'm a big spring gardening person. You can find all these recipes and more at stephaniesdish.com.